Good afternoon. This is Universal News Media. Today is March 19th, 2018. Today we will be viewing images from the unedited photos obtained yesterday from the Federal Aviation weather cams scattered across Alaska and Canada. All videos are in time-lapse mode with each frame equal to 10 minutes. I am being accused of using camera trickery when the sun simulator disappears behind a small streetlight. No one but the government has access to the camera hardware, so there is no way I can do camera tricks with the government's cameras. I make no money from doing these videos because I do not allow ads. I don't allow ads because the information I'm showing you is far too important to distract the viewers with ads. The government carefully goes over these images, removing anything that shows the inbound system. I only get what they miss. A couple weeks ago, I showed a similar video of the sun simulator disappearing behind another tiny object, a tiny bird feeder post. This was viewed from the east-facing camera at Prince Rupert, British Columbia in Canada. Disregard the vertical line through the sun. It's a lens flare often seen in these cameras. Here is the real sun going behind a post. This small post cannot hide the real sun. Many people are asking, where is the sun while the simulator is visible? The sun simulator is a very intense light source, and it sets in front of the real sun all the time, usually non-viewable in the glare. The sun simulator is not close to the sun, it is close to the earth, but it tracks with the sun in perfect synchronization. When an eclipse is occurring, the eclipsing planet goes in front of our real sun, but behind the sun simulator so that it's not obvious an eclipse is happening. The sun simulator is capable of increasing 20 times in size or even more very quickly. Our real sun does not change sizes like this. The sun's simulator glare is able to appear many times larger than our real sun, and it does this to engulf nearby celestial objects in glare, rendering them non-viewable. These two images, viewed from the Burwash weather cam in the Yukon Territory of Canada, showed the sun simulator's glare increasing to a massive size in only 1 hour. On the east-facing weather cam in North Slope, Alaska, the sun is just coming out of a solar eclipse with a large, close planet, which fades into a transparency from the atmospheric chemicals. The black dot on the sun simulator is visible, indicating the sun simulator is in eclipse mode. However, it is not viewable from all angles. This black dot is a real piece of equipment and not a camera anomaly. It reflects upon water surfaces as evidenced in this image from the southwest-facing weather cam at Gustavus Dock, Alaska. In this video, we see a well-defined moon traveling westward, viewed from the southeast-facing weather cam located in Soldotna, Alaska. Something hidden rather well in the transparency of the atmospheric chemicals is the large planet that this moon is orbiting just to the left. Some contrast has been added here to the large planet in order to make it more viewable, but it is still very difficult to see, even with the contrast. The atmospheric chemical spraying has increased dramatically very recently throughout Alaska and Canada, making these planets and moons much harder to see. In Pedro Bay, Alaska, a planet is very difficult to see over the horizon, lost in the sun's simulator glare and also in the atmospheric chemicals. Just to demonstrate how transparent these planets have become very recently with the increased atmospheric spraying, there is a planet in this picture captured by the Pedro Bay south-facing camera. The planet doesn't really show up well without some contrast applied, and even then it's difficult to see. The east-facing weather cam in Old Harbor, Alaska, caught this eclipse with two planets. It appears as though the small planet may be orbiting the very large planet on the left side of the screen. Both planets are extremely difficult to see in the atmospheric chemicals. Some contrast brings them out and makes them a little bit easier to see. The objects we have just viewed are part of an approaching celestial system. Many people ask when this system will be making its closest pass to our Earth. A general indication of time is provided in the following screens of text. Please don't forget to like this video and subscribe.